In today's video, I'm going to talk about an AI social media generator or the scheduler here. So this is the RobinReach, and here you can even connect the AI with the Claude, ChatGPT or the MCP here. So basically in this platform, we have the multiple social media profiles that we can connect, like the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. We have the threads, we have the WordPress, and even the Google business here. So once you have connected the social media accounts, you are ready to schedule or the draft the content at once on all of your social media profiles. And what I like it here, this option that let AI run your social. So how this works out, so in this section you have to simply connect the RobinReach with any of the AI platforms. It is recommended to Claude Web. So in the Claude Web, this is the MC server enable. So simply you have to copy the link here, and after that you have to go to the Claude, and in the Claude you have to go to the connectors. Automatically this link will be the open up here, and here it will ask to simply go to the connector section and connect the RobinReach. So I have already connected RobinReach, but how you can connect that? Simply click here on the add connect custom connector, and after that you have to give the name and the link you have just copied, and the RobinReach will be connected to the your Claude API here. If you want to see either it's actually connected or not, just go to any chat section and ask, am I connected to RobinReach? It will show you yes, RobinReach is connected in this chat. Now from here on the Claude Web, what you can do, you can simply ask it, like here I'm going to simply give it, generate me a post on the retriever AI, how it's work, what is this, make sure the post is engaging with a really good attention grabbing hook. Okay, so simply I have given the prompt here. Okay, so soon prompt will be appearing. Yeah, this is the prompt here, and now you can see here, let me make it as the link. You can see here this is the detailed prompt, and now simply if I click here on the hit the enter, now this is going to generate me a post. Okay, and from this chat workflow I'm going to ask it to draft this post on my RobinReach platform for these social media profiles. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and now soon I will get the my post here. It is right now generating, so taking few seconds. Now you can see here, stop clicking, start commanding. What if your browser, and this is the overall post it has generated. I love this one. Okay, it is not that much of the in the detail layout, but I can make it here. I have to just simply give it a reference what kind of the post layout I want, and it will generate it. Now here's the next part, turn this post into the LinkedIn carousels. I have given the command. Now I want this post into be generated as the carousels. Hit the enter. Okay, here's the spelling mistake. No worries. I hope this AI understand what I want. And now it is generated. Yeah, it is understood. Loading PPTX skill, and soon I think within the few seconds or around the 1 minute my carousels will be ready here. So while the carousels is being generated, let me talk about the other features as well. So on this platform, once you have connected the AI, you are ready to just generate the post or the carousels, but here are more cool features. The first one, we have the calendar. With this section you can just get the bird view on the scheduled, draft or published post for the different social media profiles. If I go to this one, this here you can see I have just published the 2 posts on this date, and if I go to the publish, this is the post. It will show you that I have just recently published, including 1 carousel and one text format here. I can republish it and I can even view. So this is how the post look like here. Okay, on the which profiles I have even the published here. Now if I go to the connected accounts, you have to get the these profiles that you can connect with this single click. It will simply ask you to authenticate. Make sure you are already logged in on that profile or the social media platform you want to connect here. Then we have this one, that is the repurpose. In the repurpose section, we can just bring or import the old content and repurpose. I can also repurpose the new content as well. If you want to just create a new post, how you can do that? You have to go to the compose. In the compose, we have this dashboard available, where I can start just creating the post. First, it is asking me to select the platform. I am going to select the LinkedIn and the Facebook, and after that you can see this is where you are going to craft your post. There is no AI generator available, although we have the AI optimized which can optimize your post. That's why connecting the ChatGPT or Claude is really good option, because it can just generate the post for you. So right now I think my this PPT or the carousel is generated, so it is loading up. So hope it's load up fast. Yeah, it loads up. You can see this is the carousel it has generated for me. If I want to do any changes, like I want to change the background, the text, the first, I have to simply give the command here, it will do it for me. So that's how you can do that. Now I will ask it to draft this campaign on my RobinReach. Now draft this post on my RobinReach platform for the different social media profiles like the Facebook and the LinkedIn. So now it is going to just open up this thing, and everything is RobinReach platform. Okay, and hit the enter, and now it is going to draft. Again I need to just download the this PDF, because some ways I need to also give it the this assets. Okay, because you can see it is right now thinking. So while this is going on, let me talk about the features we are talking about here. So this is the compose section I have talked about. This one is the engage. So let me go to the engage section, and here I can just create a post, or I can reply to the comments, kind of this stuff here. This one is the automation. I can set up the automation including the RSS feed or all these options that is right now on the dashboard. So with the RSS feed I can just set up the automation, and with this automation, whenever the new article on my website is published or new video will be published, that will be the automatically turned into the social media post and draft in my profiles. Okay, this is how the automation works. This is the RSS feed, basically showing all the RSS feeds you have connected. Then this is the integration. This is a really cool feature available, because here we will get to see the automation. For example, the integration, sorry, you, for example, right now I have connected the Claude web here, but if you want to connect the Claude code or the Claude desktop, simply click here and it will show you all the steps. Same goes for the Chat GPT. You can see all the steps. This is for the open flow. Okay, so with the 4 or 3 steps you can easily connect with all these AIs. Now let me go to this one. This is the library showing all of your media assets. This is the reports, and this is the RobinGen. So what the RobinGen can do for you, with this section you can generate the images. Okay, you can see here, where's the option. Okay, this is the RobinGen AI. Create engaging social media content with AI power assistant. Whether you want to create the post with the notes, post from the link, post caption, blog to social media post, generate trending hashtags, and the post first comment. So all this stuff you can do it here. For example, I want to generate the first comment here, select tone, all this stuff. So I want to do it for the, let me go with the LinkedIn and friendly post content. It is asking me, although I was expecting also to select the post that is recently published. So there's the no option that is available, so I have to manually give the post content, and analyzing that it will generate the comment for me. And this is pretty lame, because I can do that again same in the Claude AI that I have just recently connected here. Single brand I will process directly. Okay, it is asking me to LinkedIn profile, so I will go with my personal profile. Okay, and now soon it will be the drafted in my this section. So if you want to check it out if it is drafted or not, you can always go on to calendar, and in the calendar it will show you if it is connected or not. So if I open up, you can see there is the nothing on the draft. So right now this is going on here, and it is just drafting the my post. It can take few seconds more as well, but once that thing is done, you will be amazed how the RobinReach is working out itself. I have to just go to the any Chat GPT or the Claude AI. I can also connect the MCP servers as well. So I haven't discussed about it. So how you can do that? If I just scroll a little bit, you can see the MCP server option. Okay, I can also connect the NAT, and here's the MCP server. You can see. So add to the MCP client to the node, pointed at the RobinReach, run the agent. So basically that's how it's work out. You are getting the steps. Okay, this is the terminal, this is the codecs. I basically like the Claude web, that's why I have just connected with the Claude web. But if you want to connect all this, there's the steps available. let's check it out. My post is okay, this is drafted, and now I am going back to the my calendar and see if right now, yeah, you can see this is the new draft. If I open up the new draft, you can see this is the new post it has generated drafted. So right now this is as the text. I want to view how this looks like. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so right now what I can do, I can also go to the edit, and I want to just add the my carousels. How I can do that? Simply upload files, and here you will find out the carousels PDF that you have just recently generated using the Claude API. So like I said, Claude cannot able to add these images in the RobinReach because it hasn't even connected any storage format. That's why it cannot do that to store the images. I have to manually download and upload it here. So this is downloaded, and this is right now appearing now. So no worries, we can easily do that. So that's how the RobinReach platform works. Right now it's lifetime deals available with this single one-time payment, so you can just grab it and enjoy using it for your lifetime. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next